So dito, kinakabit na nila Mark yung hard deflex dito sa wall. And then, to sila Lloyd tsaka si Jem nag-uukay ng poste.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break cross real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end.
Nagtuwa na naman sila guys, oh. Kaya yung ano, yun yung nakontrata dito, yung may-ari, kausap niya. Ang sipag ng tropa namin isa, oh. Laki na katawan yan, baka dyan, Lloyd dyan. Shoutout nga pala, alas 12 na, kakain muna kami.
Ayun na. So sasaraduhin yan hanggang dyan. Pintog. Pintog.
Wala naman ng payong. Wala naman sa labas.
Ayan. So ito na yung bako. Sorry. Ayan. Yan pa lang yung nabuhusan. Tapos yun yung nahukay. Yan. So yan. Ayan na. Improvement. Tapos na yan. Thanks. Dito si Kuya Gregor medyo tahimik pa kasi bago pa lang siya dito ng araw na to. Ayan.
Take it all night.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. Oh my God! I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart. I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
Ano, Pogi?
Hi guys! So ngayon, tapos na tayo sa pagbuhay doon. Bali, ano lang. Tatlong poste na lang ang buhay namin.
Tatlong poste.
Tapos na yun.
Simula dun sa lubid na yun ang nagpunta. Ha? Oo. Kaya picture eh. Oh. Mga model yan oh. Oh, side view, side view, side view. Oh. Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Ganda ang pangalan ah. Pwede. Okay, may nagtuturo sa atin, no? No, Lloyd?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where's not?
Anong kinakanta nyo kahapon? Anong kinakanta nyo kahapon? Panay pala?
Ha?
Yung panay pala?
Araw-araw pala.
Araw-araw pala. Ah, siyan?
Oo, mas tulog. Wala lang itong ulo dyan. Marami yan eh. Wala na oh. Taka meron ba yan? Ayun oh. Ayun yung ulo yan. Oy! Malaki na ulo niya, Jim, no? Malaki na ulo niya.
Oo, lumaki na.
Marami namin nakuha na ganyan, dito eh. Namamatay lang. Benta yan. Bebenta yan doon sa amin. Oo, 50.
No?
Oo.
Bakit? Para saan?
Nalagaan niya. Bata. Really kasi yun sa mga ganyan. Kahit nga ante, kinaalagaan eh.
Okay, so yun.
Malande.
So yun si Lloyd at si Jem. Makwela yung mga yan, tsaka si Poy. Ito naman si Kuya Greg. Yan, siya yung mag-ano ng poste. Nagagawa na yan ng poste. Ah, kuya. Ba? Nag-ano ka na? Kuya, para mo ko ng isang pala. Ah, sige. So yan, nagpe-prepare na sila na magbuhos dun sa mga bagong poste nilang tinayo. So nga pala, sa clip na to, wala si Poy, yung makulit. Ito ay this week, Monday na recording. Kasi nag-update ako nung Windows ko. Tapos, biglang nawala yung clip nung last week. So, buti na lang meron pa akong natira na Thursday and Friday na from last week clip. So, yun na lang yung nilagay ko dito. Medyo hindi maganda yung compilation ko, pero goods na rin.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it rushing. Lose control. You don't wanna go slow. For sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your place.
So dito, inayos na ni Mark tsaka ni Kuya Greg yung kuryente kasi according sa kanila masasagi daw yun pagka itatayo na yung bakod. Ayan. So medyo nahirapan sila, pero naayos pa rin naman nila.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know, it's so damn.
So dito naman, inaayusan nila Mark yung pangpoporma doon sa mga poste. So yan. Ito, kasama niya na ulit si Poy.
Having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the
Boy! Guys, dilipit pala na kami ngayon guys. Uwi na kami. Dalawang mga pogi. Tingin mo na yan. Yeah. Ano, Crab? Oji! Oji!
So yan, wala ulit dito si Poy. So silang apat ulit, si Jem, si Lloyd, si Mark, tsaka si Kuya Greg. Ayan. So ito na yung pamporma doon sa mga poste. Doon sa unang 3 poste.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
So guys, si Floji, main niya na to. Magwala yung salita.
Sweet time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how.
nating dalawa.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ayan, bubuhos na sila. Mark, bubuhos na kayo?
Bukas pa, magkano pa
Ito.
Love interrupted by tragedy.
Patugo ka na talaga.
Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of
Alam mo, jacuzzi tong isa yung laki.
trying to find her place
Siyempre.
in it all. Focused only on the baby.
Sa akin pants eh.
All she can attract is pain.
So yan, tinatayo na nila yung pang-forma. Pasensya na mga kabibo kung medyo ngongongongo ko. Kasi meron akong sakit, ubo tsaka sipon. Gawa ng maulan dito sa amin. And ingat kayo palagi.
And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away. Drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify?
So yung naka-green, si Kuya Elmer yan, tatay ni Mark. So bumili siya dito ng baboy sa tito ni Mark. So in short, pinsan ni Kuya Elmer. Kasi first birthday nung apo ni Kuya Elmer, which is tito na si Mark. So congrats.
Just when you think you're in control.
So yun guys, alas 5 na. Tapos, ligpit na kami. Shout out to Cloud. Ayan, bali, ayan, nigo na. Ayan. Borma. So, nag-uay sila doon. Oklang talaga, no? Oklang. Eh! Tapos na yung ligpit eh. Lagi nga lang niligpitin namin guys. Ito. Nasa.
Ayan si Oklang.
Shoutout ka, shoutout. Shoutout mo.
Shoutout Ashley. Babalikan kita.
Eh! Gang sign, gang sign.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. You thought the grass was green.
You said goodbye, my whole world shine. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day and I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink and then